Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and if we want to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy phone, we have to press the volume button and the power button at the same time, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you. Press the volume button and the power button at the same time like this. Okay, now the screenshot has been taken, and actually there is another way to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can use this assistant menu. This is my assistant menu on my Samsung Galaxy phone. We just need to click on it, then we can click on screenshots. Okay, and if this assistant menu hasn't appeared on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you have to activate it first. You can go to your setting and go to the accessibility setting, and you can go to interaction and dexterity, and here you will be able to activate your assistant menu. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can take screenshot on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.